Have you ever looked at your lab results and noticed the word creatinine circled or highlighted and suddenly felt a little worried about your kidneys? For many adults over 50, that moment can be confusing. You might feel perfectly fine, yet your doctor says your kidney numbers are a little higher than they should be. And that raises an important question: what can you actually do to support your kidneys before things get worse? What if something as simple as the tea you drink in the morning could gently support your kidneys, help your body flush excess waste, and keep your creatinine levels in a healthier range? Today, we're going to talk about 6 morning teas that many nutrition experts recommend for kidney support after the age of 50. These teas are simple, natural, and have been used for generations to support hydration, circulation, and the body's natural detox systems. Now, before we begin, I want to say something important. These teas are not medicines, and they're not meant to replace medical care. But when combined with healthy habits, they can become a powerful part of supporting your kidneys every day. Hello, my name is Milani Sander, and welcome back to the channel where we share simple, science-inspired health tips designed especially for adults over 50 who want to stay strong, energized, and independent for many years to come. Let's start with something many people don't realize. Your kidneys work incredibly hard every single day. In fact, these two small organs filter around 50 gallons of blood daily. They remove toxins, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and help control important minerals in your body. But as we age, kidney efficiency can slowly decline. Blood flow may decrease slightly. The filtering units inside the kidneys can become less responsive. And when that happens, waste products like creatinine may begin to rise in the bloodstream. One of the simplest ways to support kidney function is hydration. When your body is well hydrated, your kidneys can flush waste more efficiently, but plain water isn't the only option. Certain teas provide gentle hydration while also delivering plant compounds that support circulation, reduce inflammation, and encourage healthy kidney filtration. Let's talk about the first tea many experts recommend for kidney support: nettle tea. Nettle has been used in traditional herbal practices for centuries, especially for urinary and kidney health. The leaves of the nettle plant contain natural compounds that may help support healthy fluid balance and circulation in the kidneys. Many people over 50 find nettle tea particularly helpful because it acts as a very gentle natural diuretic. That simply means it encourages the body to release excess fluid and waste without being harsh or dehydrating. When consumed in the morning, nettle tea can help stimulate the kidneys to start filtering efficiently for the day ahead. It also contains minerals like potassium and magnesium, which play an important role in maintaining fluid balance throughout the body. The taste of nettle tea is mild and slightly earthy, which makes it easy to drink regularly. Some people like to add a small slice of lemon for extra freshness. Now let's move to the second tea that has become very popular for kidney support: dandelion root tea. Most people think of dandelions as weeds in the yard, but the root of the dandelion plant has long been valued for its ability to support the liver and kidneys. Dandelion root tea is known for helping stimulate bile production in the liver while also supporting gentle detox pathways in the kidneys. This combination can help the body process and eliminate waste more effectively. For adults over 50, this is especially helpful because the liver and kidneys work closely together to remove toxins from the bloodstream. Another interesting benefit of dandelion root tea is that it contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress can contribute to inflammation in many organs, including the kidneys. Drinking a warm cup of dandelion root tea in the morning can gently encourage digestion and support the body's natural cleansing systems. The flavor is slightly roasted and earthy, almost similar to a mild coffee, which many people enjoy as a caffeine-free morning alternative. Now let's talk about the third tea that many kidney specialists appreciate for its soothing properties: ginger tea. Ginger is widely known for supporting digestion, but it also plays a role in improving circulation. Good circulation is incredibly important for kidney health because the kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter waste effectively. When circulation improves, the tiny filtering structures in the kidneys, called nephrons, can function more efficiently. Ginger also contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce low-grade inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is believed to contribute to gradual kidney stress over time. A warm cup of ginger tea in the morning can gently warm the digestive system, stimulate circulation, and support the body's natural detox processes. Many people enjoy adding a little lemon or a small amount of honey to balance the spicy flavor of ginger. Now, the fourth tea on our list is one that many seniors already drink regularly: green tea. Green tea has been studied extensively for its health benefits. It contains a group of antioxidants known as catechins, which help protect cells throughout the body. Some research suggests that these compounds may help support kidney cells by reducing oxidative stress and promoting healthy blood vessel function. Healthy blood vessels are extremely important for kidney performance because the kidneys rely on a network of tiny vessels to filter blood. Green tea also provides a gentle amount of caffeine, which can increase alertness and metabolism without the stronger effects that coffee sometimes produces. For adults over 50 who enjoy a morning boost, green tea can be a balanced option that supports hydration and antioxidant protection at the same time. However, moderation is important. 1 or 2 cups per day is generally enough to receive the benefits without overwhelming the kidneys with excess caffeine. Now let's move to the fifth tea that is often recommended for gentle detox support: hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has a beautiful deep red color and a refreshing tart flavor. But beyond its taste, hibiscus contains plant compounds that may support healthy blood pressure and circulation. This is important because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage as people age. By supporting healthy blood vessel function, hibiscus tea may help reduce strain on the kidneys over time. Some studies have also suggested that hibiscus can help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy cholesterol levels, both of which play a role in overall cardiovascular health. Many people enjoy hibiscus tea chilled during warmer months, but it can also be a refreshing warm drink in the morning. Now let's talk about the sixth and final tea that can be especially beneficial for kidney health after 50. Parsley tea. Parsley is often used as a garnish in cooking, but the leaves of this plant contain nutrients that support kidney and urinary health. Parsley tea has mild diuretic properties, which means it can help encourage the body to eliminate excess fluids and waste through the urine. This gentle flushing effect can support the kidney's natural detox function. Parsley is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. For people concerned about creatinine levels, staying well hydrated and supporting natural elimination pathways is one of the most important steps. Parsley tea can be a simple and refreshing way to help the body maintain that balance. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate these teas into your morning routine. The key is simplicity. You don't need to drink all 6 teas every day. Instead, many people rotate them throughout the week. For example, you might start Monday with ginger tea, enjoy green tea on Tuesday, try nettle tea on Wednesday, and so on. This variety allows your body to benefit from a wide range of plant nutrients while keeping your routine enjoyable. Another helpful tip is to drink your tea slowly and mindfully in the morning. That quiet moment can become a powerful daily ritual. It gives your body time to hydrate, wake up gently, and prepare your kidneys and digestive system for the day ahead. Of course, tea is only one piece of the puzzle when it comes to kidney health. There are several other simple habits that can make a big difference. First, staying well hydrated throughout the day is essential. Many adults over 50 simply don't drink enough fluids, and mild dehydration can place extra stress on the kidneys. Second, reducing excessive sodium in the diet can help protect kidney function and support healthy blood pressure. Third, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is incredibly important because diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney problems worldwide. And finally, regular physical activity helps improve circulation throughout the body, including the kidneys. When these healthy habits work together, they create an environment where the kidneys can function more efficiently and comfortably. If you've recently seen higher creatinine levels on a blood test, it doesn't automatically mean something serious is happening. Often, it simply means the kidneys could benefit from better hydration, improved circulation, and supportive nutrition. Small daily habits like drinking beneficial teas can become part of that supportive routine. What matters most is consistency. Your kidneys work every minute of every day to protect your body from toxins and maintain balance. When you give them steady support through hydration and healthy plant compounds, they often respond positively. Many people are surprised at how much better they feel when they make these small adjustments. They notice improved digestion, more stable energy, and sometimes even better blood pressure control. The body is incredibly resilient when we give it the right tools. So tomorrow morning, consider starting your day with one of these simple teas. Let the warmth relax your body, let the hydration support your kidneys, and let that quiet moment become a daily reminder that caring for your health doesn't have to be complicated. Again, my name is Melanie Sander, and I'm grateful you spent this time with me today. If you enjoy learning simple ways to support your health naturally after 50, make sure you stay connected with the channel because we share practical tips like this every week designed to help you live stronger, healthier, and with more energy for the years ahead. Take care of your kidneys, and they will take care of you.